Going to draw the circuit diagram. Firstly, 2 relay, 5 pin. This is the relay input. This 2 pin is relay input pin. DC input. I am using 6 volt relay. Okay, so whenever you give 5 to 6 volt in this 2 pin, then relay operates and NO-NC contacts going to be changed. Okay, and let's suppose this is NC contact, and in this case this is NC contact and this is NO. NO means normally open, NC means normally close. Okay, now and let's take 2 resistance of 220 ohms here. Suppose these two are 220 ohm resistance, and we take one LED, to separate color LED here. Now suppose we are going to connect relay 1 to the pin number, relay 1 connected to the pin number 10, digital pin number 10 of Arduino. Okay, and this is ground. Let's take a common ground here. In this ground, this resistance are also connected, and this one also. Okay, and we are going to connect this pin to pin number 5 of Arduino, digital output pin 5. Okay, now let's take these 2 pin. This is connected to pin number 4, and this is connected to pin number 9. Okay, now we have to connect this point, and also this point. Okay, and connect NO contact, normally open contact. Okay, because you want that switch normally open, or you can say normally off, switch off that circuit. Now we are going to connect this one, this common pin and NO pin in OR condition to our switchboard. Okay, switchboard switch. Okay, suppose this is our switchboard switch. Okay, and this is 2 point of that switch. Okay, then connect this here and here. Okay, see, now whenever this switch or this relay Whenever this relay got 6 volt from our Arduino Uno board in this 2 pin, okay, then this relay operates, and here this NO contact going to be changed to NC contact, and NC contact going to change to an NO contact. Okay, so on that time circuit closed and a current flows through our load. Okay, so this is the circuit. Okay, for this also, suppose this is our switch, we are going to connect with this as our condition. Connect here and current flows here. Okay, this is our complete circuit diagram. Hello friends, so our IR remote control switchboard is ready now. You can see this is our IR receiver, that is TSOP 1738. This is our remote, and here you can see we are using two LEDs, LED 1, LED 2, for indicating which switch is on, and we are connecting our IR connection such that both switch or remote you can operate using both these two 5-pin sockets. Okay, so we are using basically or condition. Okay, you can press switch from the board itself, or you can press here switches in IR remote. Okay, I am using 1 for this one and 3 for this one. Okay, and 5 for both and 8 for both off. Okay, so, and this is our Arduino Uno inputs, you can say. This is for 12 volt input. This is for 5 volt input. Okay, so I am using basically this port to give input to our Arduino Uno board, and I am taking this point for giving input to our Arduino Uno board. Okay, so for giving input to our Arduino Uno board 5 volt input, I am using my phone's adapter. Okay, this is my phone's adapter. We have to connect like this. See, it is connected. Now just you need to connect here. Okay, so for checking I am using my phone as a input, this 5-pin socket, and this lamp in this 5-pin socket. Okay, so firstly I have to connect switch. Okay, I connect that and I switch on that. Okay, now you can see if I press that switch, it's on. Okay, now I switch off both. Okay, now I show you using my remote. Okay, so for firstly one, see, that is our receiver. Now let's see, I'm pressing 1. See, switch number 1 is on, that green LED is on now. Okay, so if I am pressing 1 again, then it stop. See, that is off. Now if I press 3, then that lamp is going to be on, and if I again press 3, then that lamp going to be off. See, I'm pressing 3 again. Now if I press 5, then both switch on at a time. See, both LEDs are also on. If I press 8, then both switch off at a time.